Hi, I'm Jonathan. I've been teaching Vectorworks for ages. One of the things I really like to control is classes. In Vectorworks 2025, there's a new control or a new preference to control the visibility of the class list. What do I mean by that? Well, here's that class list here, and you can see at the moment my class list is in a non-hierarchical view. That has no effect over this area here, where I've got my navigation palette set to be in a hierarchical view. So with all these classes, it becomes difficult to assign or control the classes and dialog boxes in the view bar and in the object info palette. Vectorworks 2025 has a new preference. This one here, display classes and pop-up menus hierarchically. So this allows you, and this is completely separate from the navigation palette, that you can now display the classes in a hierarchical view. And you can see them there. You can also preserve the expanded or collapsed state of the classes. So this means that when you go to an object like this and you look at the bitmap and you say, okay, let's remember that this is, I want to have plants open, or I want to have hardscape or landscape open. It'll remember that setting. So that next time you come back to this object, you click on it, you click here. So when you select an object, we should find that the collapsed or expanded state of these classes is now shown. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. It really does help other people to find these videos if you do that. So thanks a lot. Bye.